some of the findings that you did see come from that study?
It's definitely a good product. We have found that it is actually perfect in a heavy weight bearing through the crutch tips, or low weight bearing through the lower extremity.
How would you anticipate rehab therapists being able to utilize this and improving their patients' outcomes?
So it gives a therapist and the surgeon the opportunity to have real-time results quickly, and then the patient also has a feedback after every step. That's unique. We know of nothing on the market like that.
Do you see this improving outcomes through a reduction in rehab time?
When you have partial weight bearing or non-weight bearing, you want to make sure that your patient is maintaining those parameters. Just compliance in general could result in decreased healing time, better outcomes overall, and the ability for a person to progress quicker and back to normal much sooner.
And do you see this device as having any effect on helping patients avoid additional surgeries or readmissions?
If people can't maintain a prescribed weight bearing, then they often are headed back to surgery. This gives that opportunity for everyone to know what that weight bearing has been and continues to be.
Would a stroke victim see as a positive clinical outcome from using a device like this?
We want to try to make everybody have that balance where they're safe, but have the most independence and have the appropriate device to allow them to be safe.
What kind of clinical endpoints would you see elite athletes being able to gain from using a device like this?
My experiences with professional athletes has been that they want to test their boundaries and limits constantly. This product not only gives them the latest technology, which they enjoy, they like to be able to say they have the latest and the greatest.
Could this be something that you could see as a fall prevention tool as well?
I think the device will be very helpful in someone who is being prescribed a device that it may not be the best device for them, rather than finding out 10 days later or 6 weeks later that they weren't able to maintain the weight-bearing precaution.
We're seeing an increase in visual impairment. Are you seeing that as well in your area?
This gives everybody an opportunity to just have some more feedback utilizing the comeback mobility technology that they've developed to help combat some of these things and maybe keep people on their feet a little bit longer, safely.
Would this be able to assist with anyone who has any kind of visual impairments?
It's not going to help their vision, but it's going to help their safety.